Hey everyone! Have you ever dreamed of having all your SEO tools in one place without spending a fortune? Well, dreams really do come true. Today, we're diving into the DiagnoSEO Lifetime Deal, a game changer for anyone wanting to simplify their SEO strategy and boost traffic like a pro. No matter if you're an SEO newbie or an industry veteran, this deal is too good to miss. Let's explore how DiagnoSEO works and why you need it in your toolkit. What is DiagnoSEO? DiagnoSEO is a comprehensive SEO and content marketing toolkit designed to supercharge your website's performance and traffic. It combines cutting-edge tools for SEO audits, keyword research, backlink analysis, and content optimization into a single, user-friendly platform. With its advanced AI-powered SEO content editor, you can craft Google-friendly, multilingual content that bypasses AI detection. Its ultra-fast and lightweight WordPress plugin offers superior functionality compared to leading alternatives like Yoast SEO. Whether you're a marketer, agency, or freelancer, DiagnoSEO simplifies SEO tasks and maximizes your site's search visibility. Time-sensitive lifetime deals on AppSumo. Buy now. Let's talk numbers because this deal is a steal. The regular price for this full-stack SEO toolkit is over $1,500, but on AppSumo, you can grab it for as low as $59. And the best part? It's a one-time payment. Here's what you're getting with the DiagnoSEO Lifetime Deal. License Tier 1, one-time purchase of $59, originally $1,548. Use on 5 WordPress sites. Includes all essential features like SEO audit tools, keyword research, SEO content editor, backlink checker, snippet preview. License Tier 2, one-time purchase of $199, originally $2,988. Use on unlimited WordPress sites. Includes advanced features like Advanced SEO Audit, Advanced TF-IDF Tool, Advanced SERP Analysis, Broken Page Reports, Most Linked Pages Tracker. Check out the link in the description for more details and grab your deal before it's gone. 6 most important features that make DiagnoSEO special. SEO Audit Tool. Diagnose over 200 checkpoints for on-page, off-page, and technical SEO. Find critical issues and opportunities like a pro. SEO Content Editor. Optimize keyword placement, structure, and density. Plus, generates multilingual articles that bypass AI detection. Keyword Research Tools. Access real-time data from Google Autocomplete, track search volume, CPC, trends, and export results. Backlink Checker. Spy on competitors' backlinks and find link-building opportunities effortlessly. WordPress SEO plugin. Faster, lighter, and smarter than Yoast SEO, with advanced features like schema support and affiliate deep link hiders. White-labeled reports. Impress clients with branded SEO audits and recommendations that scream professionalism. People who can benefit from DiagnoSEO. Copywriters, marketers, marketing agencies, bloggers, small business owners, freelancers, developers. Do you fit the bill, or know someone who does? It's time to unlock your site's full potential with DiagnoSEO. AppSumo's exclusive offer, 10% more, just for you. Got your eyes on the DiagnoSEO Lifetime Deal? Well, here's some spicy news for you. You can save even more on this already discounted deal. How to claim your discount? Head over to the DiagnoSEO Lifetime Deal page on AppSumo. Look out for a pop-up offering an extra 10% off. Enter your email and apply the discount code. Boom, savings unlocked. Are you ready to simplify your SEO strategy and climb the SERPs like a pro? Don't wait, this deal won't last forever. DiagnoSEO is more than just an SEO tool, it's your ultimate partner in content marketing success. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and want more tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.